Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at follicle development and the ovarian cycle using this model. What we have here is we have the ovary, and then inside the ovary we're getting a glimpse of what happens during follicle development and the ovarian cycle. We can see these primordial follicles here. So that's going to be kind of the beginning of our follicle development, primordial follicles. And then those primordial follicles are going to progress into primary, secondary, and then tertiary follicles. Now that we've noted the primordial follicle, the next one that we're going to visually note is the tertiary follicle. This is also sometimes known as the Graafian follicle or mature follicle. This whole follicle right here is going to be that mature follicle. It has a very large fluid-filled chamber known as the antrum. And then here we can see the oocyte, and we can actually see ovulation taking place. So that mature follicle, once we have that spike in LH, then that's going to trigger ovulation here of our oocyte. Once ovulation occurs, that follicle will become the corpus luteum. Luteum, it refers to yellow. They've given this structure kind of a yellowish color to it then. This is the corpus luteum. And then eventually this structure will degenerate into the corpus albicans. Albicans referring to white. And so that's why this one has kind of a whitish gray color to it. This then would be the corpus albicans.